Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so last time I got these doors behind me finished off. I don't think they came up too bad, all things considered. So I've still got the back door to do, along with a whole list of things that in future videos we'll start diving into. Now I said last time that we should make something for this video, or at least have a go at making something. So we should do that. So what are we going to make, you ask? Well, so the last thing I recall making in the class I did last year was a ring style bottle opener. So, let's see how much I remember, or more to the point, how much I forgot, and have a go at trying to do one of those. So we're going to start out with a piece of 16mm square bar, because that's what I've got at the moment, and cut off about, well I say about, this much of the bar, and yeah, go from there. So the one thing that I can't stress enough is that I am a beginner. So you know what that means? It means all criticism's welcome. It is, honestly. I'm a big boy, and honestly, criticism is how you learn and improve and get better in this world. So I welcome it, I really do. Anyway, enough talk. Let's light the forge. Might have accidentally got my wife with a bit of forge scale. Sorry. Okay, so while they're cooling down, I'm going to make a start on the back door. It's not going to be as elaborate as these ones were. I'm literally just at the stage where I just want to get this place sealed up to stop the critters coming in. So we'll get started with that. Alright, let's get to work on this door frame. This needs to go. So after all that kerfuffle, I now have a back door. Okay, now that's done, let's finish off that bottle opener. Okay, so that's our rough form. Next thing will be to give that just a bit of a clean up under the wire brush. So now that we've given this a clean up with the wire wheel and then given it a wax finish, I don't think this has come up too bad. There's definitely areas that could be improved, but all said and done, I don't think it's come up too badly. I'm reasonably happy with it. The ring's not perfect, but it's reasonably symmetrical. And of course the all-important question, does it actually open bottles? Okay. Well, thank you everyone for coming along so far. So you probably noticed this collection of bad ideas, that is my poorly mounted anvil. I think getting this mounted properly is going to be our next order of business. Thank you so much to everybody for all the support and positivity that's come my way. I really have appreciated it. If you like this video and you want to see when the next one drops, please click the subscribe button. But otherwise, please everyone take care and look after yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.